Today I would like to show you how to download Excel add-in. So first you have to log in to the application, and then from Excel add-in navigation menu choose downloads, and here you can see different files that can be downloaded. One of them is Excel add-in, which is a zip file. So click on the icon in order to download the file. Unzip it, extract, and then run the exe file. And then blue window will pop up with message Windows protected your PC. Click more info and click run anyway. Here's my publisher name. You can just click run anyway and installation will begin. Click install, and upon successful installation click close. That's it. Now you can fire up your Excel. Let's run blank workbook now. And on the top menu you can see Leonardo. We can now log in. Let's key in password and then click login. Oh, I clicked twice, so two messages will show up. Login successful, login successful. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.